So Sydney's Bondi Beach is now home to a new drive-through testing clinic.
And joining us now is Dr. Gayle Matthews from St Vincent's Hospital, who is running the clinic. Doctor, good morning to you. Now, a lot of people are pointing the finger at backpackers not taking this crisis seriously. What's your response?
Yeah, look, I don't think that's the case at all. I think all the young adults we see down here are taking this seriously, and we're really encouraging them to come down and get tested without any judgment. We want to encourage people to come down as much as possible. We really want to see those cases in the community tested and then isolated to protect the rest of the
It has been nonetheless a very big concern, hasn't it, what's been going on in the eastern suburbs of Sydney, particularly Bondi?
Well, a couple of weeks ago, certainly we were aware that there were a number of cases coming from Bondi, and certainly we were concerned. But as with the rest of the country, we're starting to see some really early signs of a reduction in the cases, and that's due to the really hard work of the community of Bondi and everywhere, but I'm talking about Bondi here, who are, by their social isolation, bringing cases down. And we're really trying to enhance that now by doing this increased testing.
So how many people are you expecting to come today and get tested?
Well, the testing here in the drive-through only opened up yesterday, so we're expecting an increase of cases to come through and get tested today. Yesterday, we're seeing at around sort of 100 to 200 people come through in our walk-in clinic here, combined with the drive-through. So I think we're going to be seeing around those numbers, but we are, as I say, encouraging people with symptoms to come down, please.
How does it work? Do you just line up and you go through, and then how long does it take to get the results?
Yeah, so the cars will just drive down. You can see behind me, we've got a long area here where they'll be able to line up and fill in some paperwork and just wait to come through and be tested here in the tent. The test in itself is very quick and very easy. That only takes a couple of minutes and then you'll be on your way. And the test results, we say up to 72 hours. Generally, people are getting their results within 24.
Okay. Best of luck with it today. We really appreciate it.